I'd like to invite you to read our impressions and opinions about Hotel the Radisson Blue Resort and Conference Center Ostroda, Masuria. The project is a condo hotel where you can buy a room from 594,000 zloty. The hotel is located near Lake Drwęckie. It was opened on 1st February 2023. The hotel is really big, with 238 rooms. Check-in very welcoming. In a nice atmosphere, our child received mini crayons, some cards to color, and a booklet to collect stamps from the Radisson chain. A very nice gesture. A large car park is available for an additional 50 zloty per day. In our opinion, totally unnecessary cost, as there is a paved car park. There is a public beach nearby. Parking is free in low season. We would like to remind you that while your luggage is being unpacked, parking at the hotel is free of charge, and the hotel provides modern, stylish and comfortable trolleys. We have booked a premium room, 32 meters, 4 meters larger than the basic one. The bed is comfortable, top quality, that's what we expected. There are 4 pillows of similar size, a little too big for us. The floor is paneled and a large carpet under the bed makes it feel cozy. There is a coffee table in the room. There are also a large wardrobe with traditional hangers. Welcome. The bathroom is in warm colors, mirror with LED lighting. The dispensers include soap, body cream in a tube. Next to it there is a hygiene kit and a shower cap. On the last day, while packing, we looked under the bed to see if there was anything and found a lot of broken glass from previous guests. Not a pleasant surprise and quite dangerous when traveling with a child. However, throughout our stay in the other places, we had no complaints about the cleanliness. The restaurant is decorated in beige colors. It is cozy and has a beautiful view of the lake. On the right side of the room, on the islands, are cold dishes. Hot dishes are in warmers next to the kitchen. Live cooking for breakfast with a choice of eggs, large selection of vegetables, cold fish starters. Generally a wide choice, but the food has not refined enough in our opinion. The rest had a certain lack of something. We do not recommend sweets unless you do not mind dry biscuits or over-sweetened buttercream. The juices looked great but tasted watered down and lacked expression. Drinking glasses are small, which causes forming towers from them during meals. Very nice tableware in shades of blue, perhaps a reference to the lake. I admit that eating a meal on such tableware is more pleasant. Very nice service, tables cleaned efficiently. Bathrobes and slippers are provided in the room, free of charge. Size XL and L bathrobes are too big for us, but it's better to be too big than too small. Free pool access limited to 1 entry per day for 3 hours, but there was no problem taking a break to take the child to the room and return to the pool. There is an excellent children's playground by the pool where you can do all sorts of physical experiments. There are lots of nice slides, a very nice swimming pool with a view of the lake, a relaxation area on the first floor with the entire glass wall facing the lake. There is also a darknet sauna with an optimal temperature and a bathhouse. The children's playroom is huge, the biggest we ever been in. There are balls, a pirate ship with all its accessories, a life-size wooden town divided into a workshop, a post office, a shop, even trampolines and a stage. Most of the toys are wooden. There is a large selection of books. The only drawback was that the roof was leaking in several places. However, this was probably a temporary problem. The gym consists of 2 rooms. rooms. The first one has exercise equipment, the second one has a puzzle mat, more for yoga. There is also a games room, or rather a hall. This is the first time we have seen something like this. There is an IO arcade, a sort of multimedia mat for games and activities. Also, there are table football, pool table, air hockey. The walls are covered with tempting posters. Impressive conference area, an interesting space to visit. If the number of participants is small, you can easily find a comfortable workspace outside the room. And I didn't think I would ever say this, public toilets deserve special attention. We have booked our stay through group shopping. 2 days in a double room with breakfast and dinner cost 1,036 zloty. We paid 62 extra for a larger room. The total amount was 1,098 zloty without parking. And one more thing, we always call the hotel to ask about the offer for the chosen date with a student discount. Just kidding. And the lowest offer directly from the hotel was 400% higher than the one we booked online. In conclusion, the hotel is excellent, ideal for families with children, but also for a business trip or integration. Despite the average food and drink, which is an important aspect for us, we would be happy to visit it again.